Gold yesterday traded with little swings, delivering lower highs and lower lows, failing to break beyond the critical resistances at 26.65, 66. We have seen it reversing sharp, while silver is also showed a little swings. It failed to stay below 31. We have seen it moving towards 32, 32.3 levels and have reversed since then. So what to expect today? Can we expect this trend to continue where gold is trying to trade moderately bearish while silver is trying to recover a bit? Or there is a possibility of a continuation of the downward trend which we had seen in the metals for last couple of days. What is going to be our strategy today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and reviews, and with the proper entry with the reasoning such that you can take a logical call. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch this. On the hourly charts, gold moving average is crossed over on the buy side here. Next thing is, if you see this, lower highs and lower lows are seen trying to form a nice flag. This is still a flag, and it has failed to break below the lows here on the hourly charts, and the lows for the day could be at around 26.40-35. Any drop below 26.30 is a sign of a crash here, where we are going to see lower lows, where we can expect it to keep moving towards 26.14, 26 100 levels. See, yesterday I have mentioned 26.40 as a critical support. Now 26.30 today is going to remain the critical support. If you look at the formation here, it has formed a good base here at around 26.47. See the drop here forming the base. We have seen it rising again on the upside. 26.65 levels are going to remain critical for gold. What has happened since then? After hitting the highs, now it is trying to trade bearish. Any drop below 26.47 you can sell, but then 26.44.40 is going to remain the prime support. Below 26.40 is where we can say more bearishness will prevail. The stochastic at the bottom, MACD willing to cross over for sell, RSI almost trading with moderate bearish bias. Coming to 2, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see this candle is important. It shows that the prices are not willing to stay bullish, and that is where we have seen it reversing 2 red candles in succession. Current candle might be ending in a doji, and the follow-up candle is going to be important. If you see it is staying above 26.60, you can buy. However, it is going to remain critical how it behaves at around 26.64, 66. If it breaches this, then you can treat this as bullish, else it is still not to be treated bullish here. Though the moving averages have again crossed over on the buy side, I still reserve my doubts for a breakout. Only bullishness today in gold. First, it has to break beyond 26.64, 66, then 26.71.5, and then 26.75, 76. If these 3 levels are taken, stay bullish. Stochastic at the top trying to drop. MACD is in green here, trading with moderate bullishness. RSI running flat. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts, if you see this, see first of all, none of the candles closed above 26.60, and now possibility of this candle moving towards 26.50 levels exist. However, we can see diminishing bearishness. Thus, we have to wait for it to stay below 26.50-47 zone. That will be a confirmation of bearishness here. Stochastic to the top, MACD has crossed over and it is trading in green with very little divergence. Wait for it to cross over. That will be the confirmation of further down move here. RSI running flat. On the 4-hour, the observation is similar on the 4-hour chart. See, it is taking support from the 20 period. Moving averages have converged but not yet crossed over, and this candle is of indecision. Any move beyond 26.60 is a good opportunity for us to buy, but I will wait for it to break beyond 26.60, 64, 60, 64, 66, you can say. Once it breaches 26.64, 66, then only we should treat this as bullish here, else it can reverse and drop again. So this is one possibility. Second thing is, see, series of bearish candle, then a reversal, and now dropping below 26.50, 47 is where we can see a double bottom, or in fact lower lows here. If you look at the charts here, I can see that lower highs, lower lows, and it is still forming a nice flag on the bigger time frame as well. The stochastic rising, MACD almost running flat, and RSI running flat. Coming to before we move on to daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, where you can trade all the global instruments. The broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See yesterday's candle with moderate body size and a bigger tail suggests that the price has failed to stay bullish. Now today what has happened? It has started uh, on almost flat note, failing to break beyond 2664 66. We have seen this down move. Now there is a possibility that this can continue here, delivering lower lows. This possibility we cannot ignore, but right now the moment is not very much supportive of such a strong bearishness. Thus only and only if first you can sell here at 2650, but then 2647, 2644, 2640. If these three levels are taken, stay short. We can look forward to a move, in fact, towards 2630, 32, and in fact towards 2620 levels as well. Yes, it is see consolidating, waiting for the moving average to climb up. It will come down to take the support from the 20 period and then bounce back. This is what we can look forward to. Stochastic rising here. MACD has crossed over, and I expect that this to deliver the bearish candle such that it can continue to trade with the bearish momentum. RSI dropping, coming out of the overbought zone. Looking at this, see, you can buy here at 2660, but this is riskier till 2664. 66 is not taken. Only bullishness is about 2666, where you can expect 2671, 2675, 76. And if it breaches 2675, 76, stay bullish for further up move. The next targets are towards 2684, 85 and then 2695. Chances of which appears to be less as far as my opinion is concerned. I will again look forward to a drop here where if it breaches below 2650, you can expect 47, 44, 40. Below 40 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 26, 30, 32 and in fact 2620 levels today. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Silver on the early charts after the crossover here in the moving averages. We have seen it trading bullish. You can see it is taking support from the moving averages. See what has happened, a bigger up move, then a retracement. Now see a retracement and it should continue here with the downtrend. Very important for silver to now trade below 3140. Once you see the higher price below 3140 and yes 3130, this zone between 3140 to 3130 is going to be important and critical here for silver for the day. As long as it respects this zone, we have to be careful. So 3140, 3130 levels you should watch out for. In fact, I will recommend you to sell. If you see the higher price below 3150, you can take a selling entry, but it is going to be with caution towards 3140 and 30 as a very good support, below which you can expect 3115, 31 29, 3080 and 3050 as well. Possibility is there. Now why there is a possibility, let's see. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped though, but the MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. This is certainly a sign of slight bearishness for the coming few candles. RSI running flat. Coming to the 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, it appears that it is going to close in doji after two strong bearish candles. Also, if you notice, there is a reversal sign here, and also if you notice, it is closed or it is traded below the preceding low. So yes, it is very important now for silver to trade below 3150, 40, 30, and if these three levels are taken, just stay short. Now what is happening here, if you look at the movement in silver, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So there could be another round of drop which is going to take the prices towards 3120 or 3115. And if today 3115.20 levels are taken, just stay short. Stochastic dropping here. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI has dropped a bit. On the 3 hour charts, if you see on the 3 hour charts, the drop here, retracement, see symmetrical formation here. Now very important for the prices to trade below 3150, 30 and 3115 levels. If these three levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to a greater down move here. And now below this 31 will come into picture, and below that major down move will be seen. Stochastic dropping sharp. MACD is in green. It can cross over here for sell. Right now it is not showing the intent to cross over. RSI dropping sharp. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at, first see the preceding candle, symmetrical here, lower lows are seen. Current candle almost trying to stay in a doji. Possibly it is waiting for the next 2 hour candle when it starts to take a slide here and then keep moving towards 3140 levels, 3130 levels. Stochastic dropping here a bit. MACD is in green here. The MACD has crossed over here at a lower levels and now trying to trade bullish. RSI running flat. And on the daily, see on the daily charts, one thing is important. This was trading here in this bullish channel. It has come out of the channel. First, this is the thing. Next is, if you observe, it is taking support from the 20 period moving average. Now the 20 period sitting at 31 is a very important, making it a very important level. Now what has happened, look at these two. After the retracement, couple of greener candles, today it is started. See, this is also important. It is closed every time at these levels at close to 3180, 3170 levels. Now these levels are definitely going to remain critical again for today. What is happening after closing at the same zone trying to retrace? There is again a possibility that we can see a move towards 31, and in fact it can breach 31 as well, because below this more bearishness is going to be seen. Right now the stance is not supportive of such bearishness, but if you look at the formation, what has happened here? Rise, retracement. It has seen a rise, it is willing to retrace, but it has to breach the support level so that it can keep moving downwards. And on the daily charts, if it starts to move on the downside, we can look forward to a move, in fact, which is going to take it below $30 levels very soon. The stochastic has dropped, trying to bounce back. MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover here, and this could lead to bearishness for the near future and RSI dropping. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver only and only if you see it staying above 31.85, $32 levels. Beyond this also 32.20, 32.30, and if it breaches this, then you can look forward to a move towards 32.50, 32.60. If these levels are taken, there is no other option but to stay bullish. We are looking forward to 33 and higher levels. On the down, I will recommend you to sell here at 31.50 levels, 31.50, 40, 30. Below 30 is where more bearishness to be seen, where we can look forward to a move towards 31.15, 31, and if it breaches 31, I think we are looking forward to a major down move towards 30, 70, 80, 30, 40, 50, and in fact $30 levels. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.